Hey guys, welcome back. Now in this video we will talk about the messenger bot option. Yes, you may find that over here and it will help you to reply your customer immediately. And you can see there is two different option, bot setting and postback manager. So the first thing you need to do, you need to go to the subscriber manager. So here you need to import your subscriber. But make sure, as I have already discussed in the import account option, that the bot option need to be enabled over here. As you can see, I am going to provide this demo with this page, and here you can see the bot is enabled. And if the bot is not enabled, then click over here and the bot will be enabled then and then. So let's begin with subscriber manager, and the first thing you need to do, you need to go over here and you need to click on the sync subscriber. Click on action, and here you can see the conversation subscriber, bot subscriber, unsubscriber, all the other things. So to add a new subscriber, to update your subscriber, first you have to scan your inbox and you can see your subscriber list over here. You need to select that all and migrate the full list to bot. So once it is done, the background scanning will be enabled. You can see it is enabled already. If it is not enabled, you need to enable it. Now the next option, we will go for the bot settings. So first I will discuss about the get started settings. So for that I will choose two different page, this one and this one. In this page I have enabled the get started settings. To enable the get started setting, what you need to do, you need to click over here and you need to select the enable, and then you can set a welcome message. So what is the welcome message? First let me show you the page where the get started setting is not enabled. So if I go over here and if I click on send message, then here you can see this is just like a normal page. And if I go on this page and click on send message, you can see there is a get started option, and here is the same welcome message. You can compare the both, the same welcome message that I have typed over there. So this is how we can greet our customer whenever they are new on our page. So you can edit the get started reply. That means whenever anyone click on get started, what reply they will get. If I click over here, you can see I have already enabled a reply. Let me show you how does it work. So if I click on get started, you can see I have received a message from Genie. You can see it is the same message I have typed over here, and from here you can add the button text. You can set the button type, whether it will be a web URL, web view. You can send it unsubscribe, resubscribe, whatever you want. And then you have to set a postback ID. So how you can set a postback ID? Very simple. You can add a postback message over here, and for that you need to click on add over here, and here you will find a template name. Then you have to save the postback type, the postback ID. You need to choose a label, and then you have to post a reply over here. Whether you want to reply it with image, audio, video, file, quick reply, whatever you want. You can type your message over here. So you can select the delay, whether you want to delay the message to send the customer. That is what you can send, and you can add more reply to it. So that is how you can add postback template. And here you can see I have added 3 different buttons: information, help, and suggestion. The same that is added over here. So if I click on information, I will get another reply. You can see. So if I click any one of them, okay, suppose I want to click on suggestion. So this is how I have set the postback reply for get started, and you can set the same. Now I will go over here and I will discuss about the icebreaker. Now what is the icebreaker? Icebreaker means whenever anyone is new and they want to start a conversation but they don't know what to write first, then you can have some suggestion from your side so that they can start the conversation easily. We may find that in any popular website, and Genie have brought you the same features. So let me delete the conversation, and if I click on send message, you can see there is an icebreaker message, that is I want to learn about the services. The same icebreaker message that I have provided over here. So if I select any reply message, then whenever anyone will click over there, they will get a reply from my side. And for all that, you need to enable one option from your page settings. Let me show you. If you go on your page and if you click on the settings, and here you need to go to the advanced messaging option, and here you will find this one-time notification option. And what you need to do, you need to click on the request, and then you have to confirm it. So you can see it is successful, and if it is showing green over there, then you can set these features. Now the get started is available. Now I will discuss about the bot reply settings. Okay, so here you can see, if you want to add a bot reply, what you need to do, you need to click on this add bot reply, and then first you have to put a bot name, then you have to select the keyword. If any message contain this type of keyword, they will get the reply you will set over here, and it is the same process I have discussed. You need to choose the type of reply, whether it will be text, image, audio, video, file, text with button, that is a postback reply, whatever you want. If you want typing on display, you can enable that. Then the same delay in reply, then you can provide your reply over here. And let me show you what this typing on display actually means. Like if I click on get started, you can see though it is a automated reply, but there was a delay of some seconds, and it is looking like someone is typing the message. So that is how it works. Now let me show you the one bot reply I have already added to this page, and you can see the bot name, the keyword, and let me show. So I have added the keyword hi and hello. So if I reply hello over there, you can see it is typing the name as I have provided the name over here. If I edit the reply, now I am going to update it. Now if I going to put the same keyword, you can see the reply. So guys, that is how the bot reply is working. Now I have told you one method to add the post back reply. Now there is another method by which you can add the post back, that is the post back manager. If you click action over there, it will redirect you to this section where all your post back reply will be available. Now if you want to create a new template, then that is also possible. Now let me discuss the post back in details. As I have already discussed this part, that whenever I will click any of them, it will send me another message. So that is the post back. When anyone is giving any input, you must reply them back. So that is why it is called post back. So to create new post back, you have to click on create new template, and over here you have to put the template name. Then you have to select the page, the post back ID over here, and then you have to select the reply. The reply text, image, audio, video, quick reply, text with button. As you can see, this is the thing that is called text with button. And if I select text with button over there, you can see, and then I have to put another button, and from here you can add more button. As here you can see I have added 3 different button, and the same thing you can add that. And not only that, you can add more reply to it. So if you select any postback template over here, then if you go on bot settings and for get started or bot reply, whatever, if you edit the reply, from here you can add the postback ID. So once you will create the postback reply, the ID will be available over here. So guys, that is it. And let me tell you one more thing, that you can import and export the bot settings. So guys, that was all. See you on the next video. Thank you.